How to get GIFs on iPhone keyboard. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Tap on Keyboards at the top. You can choose any keyboard from here. If you want to add a new keyboard instead, then tap on Add New Keyboard below. Over here, scroll down to explore all the suggested and third-party keyboards available. From the options, select GIF keyboard to add it to your keyboards list. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on the plus icon beside it. Select GIF keyboard from the options. You can now view and use the GIF keyboard from here. Select the GIF that you want to and tap on Send. Add in a caption if you want and then tap on the arrow icon to send it in this chat. Following these steps, you can easily get GIFs on iPhone keyboard.